Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining me on this channel for the first time, my name is King Mayan Kuaru. On this channel, I talk about business, I talk about sales and marketing, I talk about entrepreneurship. So if this is something that interests you, do well to give this video a thumbs up and click the bell notification so that by the time I bring insightful information videos like this, you'll be the first to get it. Today, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners in Nigeria. So if you have not been doing affiliate marketing, I want to tell you are leaving a lot on the table. Alright, how do you start your affiliate marketing in Nigeria? What does it entail? What and what do you need to know? On this channel, I'm going to break down everything to you and teach you, show you how you'll be able to start your own affiliate marketing business today as a side income, as a side hustle, or even as a full-time job. Alright, let's go and dive right into the video. So learning affiliate marketing to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria could result in a lifetime opportunity for you. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, according to Wikipedia, is a performance-based marketing strategy. It allows these businesses to reward people affiliated to them for their effort to make people buy their product. So what does this mean? Affiliate marketing in a layman form, in a simple understanding, is connecting buyers with sellers. So how do you connect buyers with sellers? Let me give you an illustration. If, for example, okay, I want to buy a particular product, let's say a phone, alright, and I come to meet you and I tell you that I'm interested in buying a phone, and you have someone who knows how to go about getting good phones and sell in his store. So what you do is that you refer me to that person to go and buy that particular phone. Once I go and buy that particular phone from that person, alright, you have just done affiliate marketing. But the difference is that you did not get any commission. So, but this in affiliate marketing sense, you were supposed to have discussed with the person that sells the phone that whoever you refer them to, whoever you send to them that buy something, whatever they buy, you get a particular percentage of commission from that product. So let me give you another illustration. You go to any market, you see all those guys that tell you, they're asking you what do you want to buy. For example, Mandela's market or maybe Balogun market, for those that are familiar with Lagos market, okay? Once you go to that market, you see all those guys, they are there. So they asking you, is it jeans you want to buy? Is it bag? Is it clothing? What do you want to buy? You see, what they are doing, they are affiliating. They are taking you, they don't have that shop, alright? They don't have those products, but they are taking you to people that have those products. When you follow them and you buy anything that you buy for them, they are going to, the owner of the shop is going to give to that guy that took you a commission on whatever you buy. Okay, the owner is not going to increase the amount because they took you there. Alright, they are going to give them a commission for anything you bought. So in online way, affiliate marketing, there are people that are interested in different things. Alright, if you're not aware, we are in the generation of education. So people are interested in knowing a lot of things. Some people are interested, just like you're interested in learning affiliate marketing. A lot of people are interested in learning how to write books. Some are interested in learning how to make videos. Alright, so when they go online and they're asking how to learn some of these things, you can position yourself in affiliate marketplace that have all those things that those people are looking for, and then you bring it to them, you give it to them, and when those people that are looking for those solutions, when they find a solution to their problem and they buy, you end up having a commission. So how does affiliate marketing work? Alright, so affiliate marketing, how does it work? All you have to do is that you find an affiliate platform. Alright, there are affiliate platforms in Nigeria where you can register on. One of them is Expertmia. Alright, Expertmia deals with digital products, digital courses. You can register, you find that platform and then you register. So once you register, you pick a product. There are over 60 products there. So once you pick any product, for example, I give an example of selling of books, right? There are also an example of how to cook any kind of food. All those courses are there. People are looking for those solutions. All right. People are looking for how to do cryptocurrency. People are looking for how to trade forex. People are looking for how to learn many things, and all of these courses. People are looking for how to ship things from China, from Turkey, from US. All of these things, they are all on this Expertmia. So what you do is that once you pick any of those products, all right, you now promote that product. You promote the product, you make a sale, and then you earn a commission. That is affiliate marketing, and that is how it works and how you can start. How do you start affiliate marketing in Nigeria? So this is very important. You need to pay attention here. What you do, you don't just go and pick any product. You have to pick a niche. This determines what affiliate programs to focus your attention on and what you want your business to be known for. For example, do you want to be known for someone who sells books online? Do you want to be known for someone who sells creams, who sells cosmetic products? Do you want to be known for someone who is into email marketing? Do you want to be known as someone who sells crypto, alright, cryptocurrency or forex trading or e-commerce, alright? So you need to position yourself by picking a niche. That niche is what people will know you as. People will know you as somebody who is into crypto, alright? So that is very important, because you cannot be jumping from one product to another product. It's important that you pick one product and run with it, because this will actually help you very well, not only just to understand that market, that product in particular, but a lot of people will know you, a lot of people will refer people to you. If you are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I talk about Expertmia. If you want to learn more about it and how you can start, I'm going to leave a link about Expertmia and how you can register on Expertmia. I will leave a link in the description down below, so do well to check it. There's also a full-blown video that also teaches you how to use the whole. Okay, for example, let me show you quickly how you can go on Expertmia. Let me go on to. So this is the marketplace. This is the marketplace. You can see this is Expertmia marketplace. These are products. There are people looking for how to learn how they want to know how to make money with LinkedIn. Alright, people want to know how to do e-commerce business. People want to know how to start a profitable car tracker installation business. And you see, this product, for example, now is sold for 13,000 naira. The commission is 50%. So this product, once you sell it for 13,700, your commission is going to be half of this amount. So half of 13,000 naira will be about let's say 6,000 plus. Alright, so in this now, imagine selling 5 of these in a day, alright, or selling 5 of these in 2 days, or selling it even in 5 days, alright, or selling it in a week, alright. This is a side passive income that will not require you to carry load and go to anywhere. It doesn't require you to get a store or do anything in particular that will make you not to have attention for your job or your current business. This is something you can be doing passively and you earn a lot of money. So for example, see this product, a foreign copywriting initiative. This product is sold for 49,000 naira. The commission is 50%. Alright, so there are over 60 products on this marketplace. This one now is 15,000, and you can even go to Nest. So there are a lot of products you can come here, pick, and all those time you spend on Facebook, on Instagram, or on TikTok and whatever, you can use them to promote some of these products online, and then you make a sale and earn a commission. Look at this product is sold for 29,000, 30,000, 35,000. This one is sold for 25,000. This one is sold for 150,000. So there are lots and lots of products you can pick here. And you may ask, are people buying? Of course, people are buying. People are interested. Alright, so let me take you back to, you've seen the marketplace of Expertmia. It's very important. So check the description down below if you are interested in it. Here is actually a marketplace. It's a digital place where Nigerians register. They choose any digital product, they sell, they earn a commission. So don't be left out. Alright, so in conclusion, I want you to know that if this is your first time of learning about affiliate marketing, you may think it is difficult, but it's not. I'm telling you, it's not difficult. All you need is your determination, and you have to be willing to learn. You have to be willing to succeed, and this business can change story. Okay, can change your life completely, right? So if this video is something that has blessed you and you wish to learn more, leave your comments in the comment section down below. You can ask any question, I will go through them. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I also go ahead and make more videos. Anything you want to learn about the online business, just go ahead and leave your question and comment down below. I'll go through them, I'll answer them, and I'll give you feedback. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you again on this channel. See ya. Thank you. Ciao.